So recently, I got all my money back from my Stadia purchases, and what I did, I had, um, I got a pair of earbuds Pro with my credit that I had because I did a lot of it through the Google Store financing thing, and I had a ton of store credit. I was good with the phone, and I said, you know what? Let's try and see what these Pixel Earbud Pros are like. Um, from watching stuff on the internet, the reviews are mixed. One of the things, and I'm happy I'm doing it with more store credit, even though it's still money. Um, what I'm fearing is, and I haven't tried these yet, but what I'm fearing is it was probably the biggest waste of $200. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Here are the Pixel Bud Pros. So this is the box, very clean boxes we're used to seeing from Google. I think it's easy. You know what? Yeah, just peel that away. And that actually peels away fairly easily. I don't need to get the knife out for this. There you go. And it just peels away. Let it drop open. So here, right up front and center, we see the device itself. I'm going to put that aside for right now. Let's see what else we get in the box. Okay, so we got, okay, these are different size little rubber ear thingamajiggies. Got those. That's a neat little container, though. It's like a little tube. Ah, neat. Some instructions of some sort, maybe some warranty information, who knows. There it is. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get familiar with the operations of this product here. Well, before we do, let's take a look at it. So all this material is apparently recyclable. So good, I can put this in the compost. So this is nice. Again, this thing feels nice. Type C USB charging there. I believe these things charge wirelessly as well. Ooh, here we go. I got the coral color. Ooh, that's a nice little thing. Oh, and there it is. It's messing with the phone right now. So I'm going to close that because what I did when I opened it, I have a Pixel 6. That's what I'm using to record with, and it tried to sync with the phone right away. So what I'm gonna do is fool around with these things, get comfortable with them, and you guys talk amongst yourselves. So I'm read a little bit over the instructions. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go through the hookup process. So on my Pixel 6, I'm now recording with my Pixel 5, and I have my Pixel 6 here and the buds here. So we open the thing there. Okay, we open the earbuds case, keep the earbuds inside, make sure my phone's unlocked. We see that we're going to say connect. So that pops up. My device is ready to be set up. Okay, I'm going to say set up. This will take a few moments. I wonder what's happening. Oh, welcome to your Pixel Bud Pros. This is pretty cool. Let's get started. Okay. Okay. So it says try them on. So, all right. So let's see here. Now I'm going to try my fit. Oh, I hear my daughter coming. All right, and we're back. Now now we're going to go ahead and try it out now. I'm going to take the earbuds out. Let's see what happens. They are in there good. These things aren't just going to fall out, that is for sure. Took a little digging to get them out. Usually, the first little setting works good for me. So we're going to try what they came with. I'll put them in. Okay. Oh, so as I've placed them in, and what I'm hearing inside is a little soft music, and I'm imagining that's going to be part of some sort of test to see if as far as the sound control, sounds good. They're not too loose. Usually the mid size is whatever it comes works with them, but I'll experiment with them a little bit later. All right. So now I'm going to hit the next button. All right. Okay. So we're going to check it. Okay. Okay, I'll start. Okay. So what it did, it played some music in through my um, ears. And what I'm hearing now as I'm talking, I hear the microphones and the phone translate my voice. So I hear that sound. It's very digitally. Sounds like those early cell phones when you used to talk in them back in the day. Those are old enough to remember that. Um, let's see what happens next. So here it gives me some instructions. I hear the soft music. All right. Oh, and here's some instructions about music. So I swipe forward to raise the volume, and that, you see that's what I'm doing now. You see the volume going back. I swipe backwards, it drops the volume. I touch and hold, and that's active noise control. Okay, so there, that's pretty cool. Okay, it pauses or play, single tap, double tap. Oh, and it moves on to some other music. Triple tap for the previous tracks. Everything works as it should. So now I'm going to hit next. Now I don't want any emails, maybe diagnostics. I'm going to do that later. Awesome. So, and it gives us a little readout. It tells us the percentage of our battery power. So we're charged at 100%. Oh, bump the camera. And that's the setup. Let's see what it sounds like. So we got the earbuds about to rock out the woo. Okay. So while it's doing this, I'm gonna go to the app, and we're gonna mess around with some of these features. Mainly, what I want to experiment with is noise cancellation and the transparency mode. So noise cancellation is active right now. If I remember correctly, it was just a tap with the a tap on the earbuds itself, or I could control it through this app. I'm gonna hit off. So I can hear a difference in my voice. Before I could barely hear myself talk. I could hear it a little bit, but I could barely hear myself talk. Now I can hear my own voice, but it's still doing a pretty good job of sealing out that sound. Let's go to transparency. And what that does, I don't know. I can hear my voice a lot better. Go back to cancellation. So cancellation kills it off a little bit. Oh yeah, it just chokes it out. I feel like my voice has been submerged in cotton, and it gets deeper and deeper into that cotton. And then turning it off again, it's just whatever. I can hear my voice fine. Transparency is like a little mix of both. So I think, yeah. So if something's loud enough, it lets me hear what's going on around me. Let's see what else. You can update firmware. While I cut away, I actually did have a firmware update, and I went ahead and did that. And it just, you leave your earbuds out close to your phone, and it updates automatically. All right. Woo sounds good through it. So let me stop that for a second. I want to try something with Google Translate. Oh, where is my Translate app? Oh, did I not put it in? Oh, man. You guys talk amongst yourselves. I'm going to go ahead and put Translate in. I thought I had it in. All right. So I have Google Translate going now. How did I not have that in? That's unexcusable. So, let's see here. Hello. And then it speaks. Okay, let's see if there's a conversation mode or something like that. A conversation. There we go. Okay. So what it's telling me through my earbuds is push and hold the Google Assistant button, which you see the prompt on the screen. It's the one with the earbuds. So I'll say something like, um, "Hello, my name is Nick. Hello, my name is Nick." All right. Let's see. Hello, my name is Nick. Oh, so it's, I don't know. So it's a little trippy. Okay, let's do this. Hello, how are you? So it's going back. Let's flip. I see what I'm doing here. So let's stop that. Okay. Let's. So I guess what is. Let's try this. I see what's happening. So it's listening for Spanish. So I think it'll translate. Let me just stop this. This little. Hola, me llamo Nicholas. ¿Y tú? Very good. So that's how it did there. So you see what it did. Uh, what it's doing. I push this, and it's going to listen for um, the the language. Yo quiero tacos. ¿Cuántos años? So I'm just doing the few little Spanish terms I know and what it does. So what you can do, and you can change the language to whatever. And it's not the best translator, but it will do in a pinch. So if you're somewhere, you have your earbuds in. Let's say, let me try this because I do want to go to Saudi Arabia. I have some friends that live out that way. I would love to visit them. So let's go back, switch the language to Arabic. Okay. And let's do conversation. And then I can say, Assalamu alaikum. and then it translates. If I hear that, it gives me the translation back. So pretty cool little features. I definitely have a bit of a learning curve. Going to learn a little bit more about this. I want to check out to see if this thing actually wireless charges or not. Too, I think it does. We're going to try it out. Matter of fact, I'm going to cut away for a second. You guys talk amongst yourselves, and I'm going to get my little wireless charging device out. I have to push this once to activate it. And there it is. You can tell it's charging because the indicator here on this device and then the little orange LED under the surface is light illuminating. I don't know if you got, let's see if I can bring this closer where you guys can see that. There you go. It's a very faint little orangish LED illuminating through the eggshell toned case. So this is the first impressions of the Pixel Buds Pro. And to be honest, I'm just going to have to learn and experiment with it. In conclusion, I like them. I can't honestly say that if I would pay $200 for them. I can't say that. I need to learn a little bit more about them. I need to experiment with them a little bit more. But they sound nice. They sound decent. Do they sound $200 nice? No. I have other earbuds that sound pretty good that are a fraction of the cost, despite the fancy bells and whistles with the transparency mode and the noise cancellation and things of that nature. I don't know if that's a big enough feature to justify the price tag. Google fanboys, they might be all over it. And I'm a bit of a fanboy of Google products, but I don't know, guys. I just think it's a good set of headphones that are priced just a little bit too high. And I'm imagining in the near future they'll be probably dropping. They've been out for a little while though, so they're still ringing up around $200. So that's what it is. Well, that's my 2 cents worth on this product, guys. Thank you guys as always for watching. Keep on watching. Like and subscribe. Anyway.